Okay, hi there. Is the mouth gonna move? I guess the mouth is. Ah, is the mouth gonna. Oh my goodness. So I downloaded Wakaru from Steam. Oh my goodness, this is bad. Okay, maybe if I look straight ahead. Um, trying to figure out how to. No, what the heck is going on? Why is it like that? Okay, taking off the glasses. Okay, so does it look weird? I downloaded Wakaru from Steam, and oh my goodness, I had never downloaded Steam before. I probably need to stop touching my face. So it says there are hotkeys for moving it. You press A and then you drag. But, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is bad, isn't it? Oh my goodness. I guess you do have to pay money? Yeah, because it says you're able to use hotkeys. Alright, glasses time. Her eyes are gonna bug out, I know it. Okay, so the hotkeys. It says if you hold S and drag. Okay, so we'll zoom out. Okay, it says if you hold A, and it's not even trying with the mouth. I think the more competent software mostly goes off of what you say, the audio, and not your actual mouth, because as you can see, okay, so okay, so it says hotkeys. Shift. I'm seriously confused why nothing is working. Okay. A X? Is it because why is this not working? Like, I mean, I should. I'll check. Don't do that! Why are you doing that? No. Don't do that. This is a family friendly channel. Alright. I'll check to see. No. Oh dang. I'm using a lamp on my desk. I did not realize. Dang. That's no good. Anyway. I have no idea what's going on. I have to download the more resource intensive one to get anything good, don't I? This is a model straight from VRoid Studio, so you think there wouldn't be any issues. I mean, can't even change the facials? This makes no sense. Hi. So, if anyone has any tips on how to become a real VTuber, please tell me. I want to be able to move my hands.